Hello everyone, so today we will make a bolt as I promised in previous tutorial. So yeah, let's select a cylinder. We'll select with less geometry, probably 16. Select edge, do a bevel, increase segments probably 2 or 3. With 3, I will add a bit of fraction. Right? Select the vertices and snap to the grid. Great. So what next? I will just select parts where I want to have a Phillips screw drivers area where it should be, let's say. That's it. Something like that. We'll just delete the non-necessary edges. I really don't need. Basically like that we have a screwdrivers screw head, let's say, yeah. And make it bigger, we can make it smaller, it's up to you. It works well in any case. Okay, so let's extrude it. Great. And into the center, let's say, I have that effect, you know, that it's shrinking or by the angle. In any case, I bet you saw screw previous, so it's not new for you. Great. Let's select edges. Yeah, and do bevel. Awesome. And to be honest, this is it. It's simple like that. However, if you want to play a bit more, definitely you can play and straighten the lines, for example, do some cleanup. But in general, yeah, this is a basic thing, you know. And yeah, it's a quad, some quad. We can make into the quad bottom part as well. So let's select each second line, delete, grid, and select the perimeter and apply the chamfer. Awesome. And yep, it's like a completion. And maybe we want to have a bit sharper, let's say, angle in here from from in here, I don't know. Okay, so let's do another bevel, and it probably will work. And if you want to have a sharp, very sharp edge, increase it, the bevel fraction, and see, do not penetrate them. But basically, we have the head of the screw. Yep. Then you can play with the shape. You want to have a smaller or flatter, let's say. Yep. Okay. Won't stretch the time, so know how to make it. The screw head in order to cover our hard surface, let's say, places where we will need a screw. So this is it. Enjoy.